Now we will solve the sum. So first adjustment, closing stock is of 80,000. Closing stock we will calculate, so no need to make the tick mark in the trial balance. Then goods of 5,000 are distributed as free sample, so make tick mark in the purchase. Then goods of 6,000 withdrawn by Bhavna for her personal use, which is recorded in the sales book. So make tick mark in the purchase, and it is a part recorded as sales, so record tick mark on sales and debtors also. Next, insurance premium of 3,000 paid, so make tick mark on insurance premium. Then out of the total debtors of 10,000 declare insolvent. Okay, so we have already make tick mark on the debtors. Then depreciation 20%, so make tick mark on the machinery. Then patents, tick on the patents. Then office salary is 1,500 is part of office expense, so make tick mark on the office expense. Okay, now we will solve the sum. Opening stock 30,000, opening stock trading account debit side, opening stock 30,000. Then purchase, inner column 1 lakh. Now read the adjustment number 2. Goods of 5,000 are distributed as free sample, which is not recorded. Okay, yes. Goods of 5,000, second entry will be first entry. We record the first entry. Goods of 5,000 are distributed as free sample, so deduct from the purchase here, leaving some space. Okay, gives given for advertisement. It is 5,000. Okay, we forgot to make the tick mark in the advertisement expense. Second entry will be in the advertisement expense, so make tick mark in the advertisement expense. So here advertisement expense, selling and distribution expense, profit and loss account debit side 6,000. Advertisement expense, it is 6,000 plus goods given for advertisement 5,000. So in outer column it is 11,000. 6,000 plus 5,000. Now goods of 6,000 withdrawn by Bhavna for personal use, means drawing. Here goods of 6,000 is also given, so here also subtract. Okay, withdrawn, goods withdrawn by Bhavna. How much it is? 6,000. Okay, so we deduct here 6,000, and it is given by Bhavna, withdrawn by Bhavna, so deduct. So first we write here capital. Capital is we have already find how much capital is 1,68,000. So in the inner column of the liability side 1,68,000. Here we also write the reserve. What is reserve? 42,000. Now, leaving some space, we write the drawing. Good withdrawn by Bhavna. And how much it is? 6,000. Okay, student. Now, which is recorded in the sales book? Yes, we have recorded in the sales book. So we have already done the two entries. First entry is deducted from the purchase account, and the second entry deduct here, right here, over here in the drawing, 6,000 good withdrawn by Bhavna. Now it is recorded in sales. So when it is recorded in sales, we deduct wrongly recorded in sales, so we deduct it from sales and also from the debtors. Okay, so we write here in the inner column sales. How much it is sales? 2,50,000 minus wrongly recorded. How much it is wrongly recorded? 6,000. And no other entry for sales here. So we directly write it in the outer column. 250 minus 6. 2,44,000 will be in the outer column. Okay. Now second entry in the debtors. Current asset, under that current asset. Okay. Non-current fixed asset. Non-current assets. Fixed asset, and here current assets. In the inner column, debtors. What is the actual amount of debtors? 1 lakh minus wrongly recorded. Wrongly recorded 6,000. It is 94,000. 1 lakh minus 6,000, 94,000. Okay, so we have done 4 entries for that. First we deduct from purchase, second entry in the drawing, third entry deduct from sales, fourth entry in the debtors, deducted from the debtors. So 4 entries done here. Okay. Now the next, we have recorded sales and debtors. Okay, now debtors. Debtors, we read the adjustment for debtors. So adjustment number 5. Out of the total debtors, debtor of 10,000 is declared insolvent. Okay, 10,000 debtors are declared as insolvent. But his receiver has declared the first and final dividend of rupees 80 paisa. 80 paisa per rupee means पर रुपी 80 पैसा कवर हो जाता है, तो बाकी बचा कितना? ओके, 10,000 20%, मतलब 20 पैसा बचा, मीन्स 10,000 20 पैसा. So 10,000 into 20 paisa means 2,000. So 2,000 is bad debt. Okay, so real bad debt is 2,000. So we deduct over here bad debt 2,000. Now second entry on the profit and loss account debit side, under other expense, bad debt from prior balance. Bad debt is not given, so here dash plus bad debt from adjustment. Bad debt from adjustment, it is 2,000 plus bad debt reserve from adjustment. So here 94 minus 2,000, it is 92,000. Okay. Now we find the bad debt reserve. Bad debt reserve is calculated always only on the doubtful debt. So what is the doubtful debt over here? We have here 94,000 actual debtors minus 10,000. We deduct here 10,000. Okay, because our 10,000 debtor becomes insolvent. So 94,000 minus 10,000, it is 84,000. So we bad debt reserve will be calculated on the 84,000. 84,000 is 2%. So here 84,000 2%. 1680.